Hello there, welcome to Desert View Studio. My name is Virginia. In this video, I am making a wooden notepad and pen holder. To complete this project, you will need a total of 66 jenga blocks. Other supplies are wood glue and paint. For this project, I highly recommend using an electric sander. Step 1. Glue 4 panels of 3 blocks in this direction. And then glue the 2 panels together, creating 2 sets as you are seeing here. Step 2. Glue 3 panels of 8 blocks together. And then glue the 2 panels together in this direction. And lastly, step 3. Glue 1 panel of 7 blocks together. And here is an overview of the first section. For this project, I am using a black acrylic paint. I apply a few coats of paint, allow all pieces to dry before moving on to the next step. I use an electric sander to remove the paint and also to get the distressed look. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you very much and welcome. Here I'm attaching the 7 blocks onto the 6 blocks panels on both sides. And if you are return members, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate your support. Apply glue as you are seeing here. Next, I am going to add a back panel of the box. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. And this is what I have so far. You can always leave it in natural color or stain the project. Whichever way you choose, it still come out look nice. Apply glue in the section that you are seeing here. And then place an 8 block panel to cover it. And this is what we have so far. And this is a close-up look of the first section. Here's I'm doing a dry fit of a pencil holder. Step 1. Glue 5 sets of 3 blocks together. And then glue the 2 sets together, creating 2 panels. Step 2. Glue 2 sets of 4 blocks together. And then glue these 2 pieces together in this direction. This is same as I completed on section 1. I apply a few coats of paint. Here I use the electric sander to get the distressed look. Attach the 2 pieces as you are seeing here. To close up the box, I use an 8-piece set. And now this piece is ready to be attached onto the main box. This project is really easy to make. I hope that you will give it a try. Apply glue in the area that you are seeing here. And now you can attach the pencil box onto the main box. If there are gaps showing, you can always use the speckling to fill it in. And after that, you can sand it down, apply paint, and sand it off one more time. Allow the box to completely dry before put it in use. This project will be a great addition in your craft room. I have created many projects using jenga blocks. Please don't forget to go check it out in my playlist. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.